Hello, listeners. Today I will tell you the mysterious story of the Bermuda Triangle, one of the most fascinating and puzzling places on Earth. This area of the Atlantic Ocean is sometimes called the Devil's Triangle because of the many strange disappearances reported there over the years. The Bermuda Triangle is roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It covers hundreds of thousands of square miles of ocean. Even before modern records, sailors noticed unusual events in this area. Ships would vanish without explanation, sometimes leaving no trace at all. The first major reports began in the 1940s, when several military and commercial flights disappeared while flying over the triangle. Many of these disappearances captured the public's imagination. From that time on, the Bermuda Triangle became one of the most talked about mysteries of the 20th century. The idea that a place on Earth could cause ships and planes to vanish without warning fascinated writers, journalists, and scientists alike. It also made many people cautious when sailing or flying through this area. Stories about the Bermuda Triangle continue to appear in books, movies, and documentaries. Some describe it as a place of danger. Others suggest it is simply misunderstood. Throughout history, the Bermuda Triangle has inspired both fear and curiosity. Even today, its legends are passed down, keeping the mystery alive. This story is about adventure, science, and the unknown. It will take you through real-life events, strange theories, and scientific explanations. By the end, you will understand why the Bermuda Triangle remains a topic of fascination worldwide. One of the most famous cases is Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers. In December 1945, these planes left Florida on a routine training mission. Soon after takeoff, the pilots reported that they were lost. They could not find their way back. Despite attempts to locate them, no trace of the planes was ever found. Even the rescue planes sent to help them disappeared without a trace. All 13 crew members were lost. Flight 19 is perhaps the most well-known Bermuda Triangle mystery. It sparked many questions. How could all 5 planes vanish completely? How could a rescue plane disappear while trying to help? Theories about Flight 19 range from human error to sudden storms. Some people even suggest paranormal explanations. Whatever the truth, Flight 19 remains a symbol of the Bermuda Triangle's mystery. Sailors, pilots, and the public continue to study this incident. It has inspired countless books, articles, and documentaries. Even today, Flight 19 captures the imagination of people worldwide. Another famous case is the USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy ship. In 1918, it carried over 300 crew members and a large cargo. The ship sailed from Barbados to Baltimore, but never arrived. No wreckage or bodies were found. The loss of the USS Cyclops remains one of the largest non-combat disappearances in naval history. In the following years, 2 passenger planes, the Star Tiger and Star Ariel, vanished while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. Both planes disappeared without sending any distress signals. In addition to these major incidents, countless smaller boats and planes have vanished or reported strange events. Some small yachts reported engine failures without explanation. Some pilots described compass malfunctions. Storms sometimes appeared suddenly, catching sailors off guard. These incidents reinforce the idea that the Bermuda Triangle is a dangerous and mysterious region. Reports of strange phenomena continue to fuel public interest. Writers, filmmakers, and journalists documented these disappearances extensively. Maps and illustrations of the triangle appeared in magazines, often highlighting the locations of lost ships and planes. Over time, The Bermuda Triangle became a symbol of mystery and adventure. Even today, sailors and pilots respect this region. They carefully check weather reports and ensure their equipment is working properly. The Bermuda Triangle has inspired many imaginative theories. Some people believe that aliens are responsible for the disappearances. They suggest extraterrestrials may capture ships or planes for unknown purposes. Others believe in time warps or portals that transport objects to another dimension. Some legends even connect the Bermuda Triangle to the lost city of Atlantis, suggesting that ancient technology could be causing the mysteries. Despite these fascinating stories, there is no concrete evidence supporting paranormal explanations. Yet these theories continue to captivate the imagination. They are often featured in books, documentaries, and movies about the Bermuda Triangle. The paranormal side of the story adds suspense and excitement to the mystery. It is part of why people continue to be fascinated by the area. While the paranormal theories are popular, scientists offer rational explanations. One major explanation is sudden storms, including hurricanes and waterspouts. These storms can appear quickly and sink ships or disorient pilots. Another factor is the Gulf Stream, a strong and fast ocean current. It can move debris, making it difficult to find wreckage. Some scientists suggest methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor. When released suddenly, this gas can reduce water density and cause ships to sink rapidly. Some areas also have magnetic anomalies, which can affect compass readings and navigation. Human error, equipment failure, and natural hazards can explain many of the reported disappearances. Statistical studies show that the Bermuda Triangle does not have significantly more disappearances than other heavily traveled ocean areas. Even so, the combination of natural dangers and dramatic stories keeps the mystery alive. Scientists continue to study the area to understand its unique conditions. Even in modern times, strange events are reported in the Bermuda Triangle. Small planes and boats sometimes experience sudden fog, storms, or equipment malfunctions. Movies, books, and documentaries continue to explore the legend. From Hollywood thrillers to TV shows, the Bermuda Triangle remains a source of suspense and fascination. Maps highlighting the triangle often show locations of famous disappearances. These visualizations help audiences understand the mystery and scale of the area. The combination of real events, myths, and natural hazards makes the Bermuda Triangle a popular subject for storytelling. The Bermuda Triangle reminds us how vast and powerful the ocean is. Flight 19, the USS Cyclops, Star Tiger, and Star Ariel are remembered for generations. Even with modern technology, the sea can be unpredictable. The mystery combines history, science, and imagination. It teaches us respect for nature and the unknown. People continue to study, explore, and tell stories about the Bermuda Triangle. Next time you see a map with Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, think about the countless adventures and legends hidden beneath the waves. The Bermuda Triangle is a place of suspense, adventure, and mystery. Thank you for listening to this story. Remember, the ocean is vast, powerful, and sometimes unpredictable.